let's unbox the Ashe Dawn 4-in-1 Magnetic Bracelet from magneticmobility.ie. So inside the box, you've got information leaflet and care instructions for your bracelet. And inside the box, take out the bracelet. So the Ashe Dawn bracelet is a 4-in-1 magnetic bracelet. So it's got 4 elements hidden away in the back of it. The Neodymium Magnets, the FIR elements, Germanium and negative ions. To put the bracelet on, simply drape it over your wrist with the hook open and facing down. Link the clasp in, pull it up and make sure you hear it click nice and tight. So that is the Ashe Dawn 4-in-1 Magnetic Bracelet Double Strength from Magnetic Mobility.